There is something you promised you. What is it? Speak to me. Why did you do that again?
Because of my family problem.
Family problem. When did you pray your rosary last? When did you pray rosary last?
It's been long.
Which church were you born into? But you were praying rosary before. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Why do you want to destroy yourself? Don't you know you are the head of the family? Why do you want to? Why do you want to waste this beauty? I'm seeing a calendar in your face of somebody wearing hot mini skirt, dancing in a group, depending on men. A calendar is in my presence. Where do you come from to this program? Huh?
I stay in Ghana.
In Ghana. Follow me. Do your people know what you are doing in Ghana?
No.
Can you give your life to Christ? Huh?
Yes.
Will you go to Ghana again? Huh? Can you stay away from P?
Yes.
Every morning, all the whole money you have made there, what did you do with it?
My mommy bury and take care of my younger one.
So that is why you are doing what you are doing. The Lord is not happy with you. Please, can you stop? Because you are planning to go back this week.
This Thursday.
You are planning to go back.
Yes.
Miri, Aparasiana Coco Napo, Lego Gudarisi,
you are too beautiful for that. You want to marry? Should I come? Jesus will help you. Which work can you do minus what you are doing in Ghana? Huh?
I used to sell clothes before.
So what stopped the clothes that make you to be doing what you are doing now that is bad? Huh?
Because I don't have the money again.
You don't have the money again. Which state do you come from? Anambra State.
Arugibu loso Chineke, emeru kwalo wegi. Arugibu loso Chineke, dobo wegi so.
If you go back to Ghana, you will die. Don't go. Don't go. That job has close to death. Are you serious?
Amen.
You will not do again. No man will take advantage of you again. Jesus will beautify you, give you a good husband, give you a new business. Ascenda. Yaba Shanda Libra. Okay, to Erima Shanda. Somebody shout fire 7 times. Fire! 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 Continue. 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 Upward. 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 Shine. Shine. Anybody taking our people to Ghana for prostitution, may God begin to disgrace that person for today. Amen. Your clothes is still in Ghana. All of them is here. And you are not going back. Wait for me after the program. Shabakata. Wave your hands.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch the next video. Shalom.